In this topic, focusing on people, the key to success of leadership and team management. In today's organization, success depends on people. The people, of course, are the organizational team members and stakeholders. Focusing on the right individual and stakeholders is important for the success of any organization. Main focus on the people enacted in organization, the key resources for the success of any organization. Every organization has some objectives, goals, mission and vision. For achieving these goals and mission, they use different inputs to get desired outputs. The biggest problem will be the attract, find and retain right people. Any organization can make a difference provided they have right people and organization is managing them well. But it is not so simple. People and organization are so complex. Manager must understand the people behavior and situation. To engage, one should have target to engage good team to achieve the organizational goals, and keep in mind that good team are only built with a good leadership. Leader is one who motivates the employee and aligns leadership, people, value, goals, relationship, culture and community first. Now people in the process. People are the most important asset of an organization, and the basic task of a manager is to be people driven paradigm. Basic task of a manager is to be people oriented. For people management is an important contributor to any failure of organization. I hope you understand this. So now I explain importance of HR and managers. HR is the human resource. Some organizations treat the employees as cost. Basically, these organizations are dying organizations. We know that employees are the asset, and high performing organizations treat people as valuable strategic assets. Human capital. Organization trade in product, knowledge, service, innovation and relationships. All these things carried by the people. Important resources any organization can depend is human resource, and they is the typical human capital organization can be proud of. Now we would talk about why a human capital environment. People are the capital of an organization and create difference with knowledge, creativity and relationship. All this is done by the people. So what does it mean? It means people must be managed, treated as asset, invest on them and protect them, and not to treat them as cost, because human are the unique form of capital. In this lecture, you learn about in the leadership and team management is focusing on people in the process, importance of HR and managers, human capital via human capital environment. Thank you.